Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the correct eyelet size and material for the fabric, because fit prevents tearing. Once chosen, mark the exact center with a pencil or awl. Accuracy matters for alignment. Now make a small pilot hole through both layers. Don't force a big cut. Slowly enlarge the hole with a hand punch, nail, or sharp scissors until the eyelet shaft fits snugly. Make sure edges are smooth, since rough cuts will weaken the surrounding fabric and cause fraying. Next, you insert the eyelet shaft from the outer face and push the washer onto the back, aligning both parts. Once aligned, set the fabric on a hard surface, concrete, anvil block, or steel plate, so force transfers cleanly. Position a rounded punch or appropriately sized screwdriver over the shaft tail to flare it. Hold steady. Then deliver firm, controlled hammer blows. Rotate the piece if needed to spread tension evenly. Make sure the flange sits flat. That prevents leaks. To finish, trim any excess tail and smooth burrs with a file so it won't snag. Once trimmed, test the eyelet by applying a gentle tug. You want stability without wobble. If it feels loose, reclamp over the hard surface and reflare with controlled blows, or add a slightly larger washer for extra grip. For thin or damaged fabric, apply a drop of fabric glue beneath the washer or stitch a reinforcing ring around the hole. This prevents tearing and extends the repair's life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.